Hey fro friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to get started right into this wig. This is my Luvme glueless unit. It is a 4x4 lace. This is its natural texture. As you can see, I just washed and air dried it prior to this video. Next, I'm going to take my tinted lace spray from Ebon and I'm going to just spray that onto my lace so that it can melt into this scalp honey. And of course, we're gonna have to dry. So then I am going to just place it over my head. It is a glueless unit, so it is a little tighter than most wigs because you are able to wear this without gluing it down. But for extra security and meltage, I am going to stick these combs in and melt my wig down. This wig is a glueless unit, so you do have the glueless band along with 4 clips on the inside and adjustable tabs so that you are able to adjust your wig to your liking. So that is really nice. This is the natural color that it came in and I have not dyed it. So this is the exact way that you will receive your wig. Since your girl has been a busy woman, I put on makeup prior to this video, so I'm just going to take my alcohol and just wipe off the excess makeup and oil accumulated from the day so that my wig can stay in place. Next, we're going to take my all-time favorite product, the Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and we're going to just pat it onto our area that we're going to place our wig. Next, in order to place my wig, I'm going to pull it down over my forehead where I sprayed my lace bonder, and I'm going to stick down the middle. Once the middle is secured, then I'm going to start with my other sides. I might spray some more lace bonder just in case like the other one dried out too much. Then I'm going to blow dry, and ta-da, it is set, and we are melted, baby, melted. Now that we have placed our wig, let's start styling her because we can't be walking around looking like this, honey. She looks rough. So I'm going to take my 1-inch Babyliss curling iron with my Awapui anti-frizz hairspray and just spray the sections that I'm going to curl, and I'm going to start curling my hair. As you will see, I am going to curl in opposite directions to make sure that I have that kind of messy look. I don't want my curls to be super uniform, so I'm going to curl in different directions. That is the key to getting volume in your hair and also that messy look that you want to achieve with this hairstyle. You will notice that at the end of my curl, once I release it, I am holding the curl up so that it cools so that the curls don't fall. Nothing worse than gorgeous curls that fall flat in 5 minutes. Next, in order to give me the volume that I want up top, I'm going to take my Conair big rollers and I'm going to roll the sides of my hair and then also in a mohawk on the top so that I have maximum volume. Once the curls have cooled or you got done doing whatever you needed to do throughout that time of letting them set, you can go on ahead and just gently take them out, making sure that you don't pull too much because they are kind of Velcro, and so you might pull out some strands of the wig. So just make sure that you're really careful with this part. Once we remove the wig band, y'all, we are melted. It is giving scalp honey. So now we are going to place our part where we want it to go. Like I said in the beginning, I want it in the middle. And so I'm going to place my part and then I'm going to tilt my head forward, shake and comb out my hair in order to get the maximum amount of volume possible. Okay, y'all, while I'm styling this, I just wanted to give you a few details about the wig. Like I said, it is a 4x4 lace wig with curtain bangs and body wave texture. Mine is a 22-inch. I think that the hair density is okay. I would like it to be a little bit more dense, but for what I wear the wig for, I don't mind it. You are able to, of course, color, cut, and do whatever you want with the wig. I honestly do really enjoy this wig. It is a really cute unit. I can style it really easily. It doesn't shed that much. And I personally think that it is a good buy. So if you would like to purchase this wig, it is in my description below. Follow that link to the Luvme website to purchase the wig. If you guys like this hairstyle, go on ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed yet, why haven't you? Go on ahead, click on my face, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.